How to buy Robux on iPhone. So if you want to buy Robux on your phone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you need to just simply go with the top of your screen where you will find the Robux option. Once you find the Robux option, you need to tap on it, and then you'll find all of these packages right here. You can go and select any package that you're comfortable with. So just simply go and select the first package if you want this. Like for example, for 3,150 Robux, you need to have 34.99 USD dollars. So just simply go and select the Robux and then go with the package, tap on it. After that, you'll be prompted to provide the payment details. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. That's how you can buy Robux on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.